Easy steps for writing a good CV. A good CV is the key to landing an interview for your dream job. This is likely to be the first point of contact that a potential employer will have with you. For this reason, it is crucial that your CV is not only great but meets a potential employer's expectation for an employee. Firstly, some do's and don'ts. Do tailor your CV to the job that you are applying for. Do keep your CV to 2 pages. If you have had a lot of experience, 2.5 is acceptable. Do a rough draft and always ask others to look over it. Check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Do keep the most important information on the first page, for example education, work experience, contact information. Do use keywords shown in the job advertisement. Do fill in the gaps in your work history, traveling, and so on. Do use a title heading and then display the information below it. Do display skills and attributes to show that you will fit in with the company ethos. Do not lie on your CV. Do not fill your CV up with unnecessary information. For example, height, weight, place of birth. Do not overcomplicate the layout. Keep it clear, simple and precise. Do not get creative with the layout. Keep it to black color text, standard font size and font design, Times New Roman. Display the information in an easy-to-see format. Bullet points, paragraphs and headings. The content of the CV is more important than the layout. This is not to say that the layout is not important. Let's learn what is the CV content. Start with personal information, name and address, DOB, nationality, marital status and race not important. Photo not necessary unless the job requires it. Contact information, email, phone number, mobile number is enough. Ensure you have a voicemail set up. Brief profile description written in the third person, what you have done in the past, what you want to do next. Keep it simple and specific and use keywords used in the advertisement. Does it fit in with the company ethos? Remember, you are competing with many other candidates. Work experience from the newest to oldest. Include the employer name, the company name and address, your position and the duties, dates of employment start to end date. Include any achievements, company targets, team goals that you achieved, problems you solved. Again, use keywords from the advertisement. Education, junior cert, GCSE results. Include them only if you have little work experience and no college degree, otherwise they are not needed. The same somewhat applies to A-level. Leaving certificate results. Include extended results and subjects if you have little experience. Use a brief overview of your results if you have a college degree or a good work experience history. For example, leaving certificate 450 points. Skills and qualifications. Use keywords from the advertisement here to answer the questions the employer is asking. Highlight specific skills and qualifications starting with the most relevant to the particular job application. This also involves career goals achieved, positions held and a summary of your expertise and evidence of your achievements. Hobbies, interests and other skills. This includes your interests and other skills you have attained. Committee memberships, intern experiences, relevant volunteer work, references. Name, number, position and address. You must ask this person, can you place this information on your CV? You can state here that a reference is available on request. We hope these do's and don'ts and the CV layout will help you create a great CV. Good luck in your job search. Follow us, www.facebook.com/learn.with.us.team.